Good morning, students. Today, Wednesday, I'm your English teacher in Vital Matriculation School. Hope you're all doing well, right? Had your breakfast? Yes. Are you all happy, students? Okay. In last class, what we have seen? Are you all read it again? Okay. In last class, what we have seen? Are you all remember that? Yes, in last class we have seen the magic fish, right? Magic fish. Are you all enjoyed the lesson? Yes. What is the title of the lesson? The magic fish. The magic fish. Okay, students. In this story, what would you learn? We have to sharing with our friends, families, relatives, right? We have to share. Sharing is caring is the moral of the magic fish. Yes. Just recall, okay? Let me recall the lesson again. The magic fish. It is a big sea. All the sea animals are white. There comes a colorful fish. You are very colorful. Who are you? I am a magic fish. I am a magic fish. Can we become colorful like you? Sure. I can make you colorful. Sure, I can make you colorful. And then the dolphin wants blue. The dolphin wants blue. The magic fish shares it. Blue suits you well. Magic fish replied, blue suits you well. Thank you, magic fish. A crab wants red. A crab wants red. The magic fish shares it. Am I beautiful like you? Am I beautiful like you? Yes, you are very beautiful. Yes, you are very beautiful, replied the magic fish. Then the seahorse wants yellow. The seahorse wants yellow. The magic fish shares it. You are so pretty. You are so pretty. Thank you so much. The seahorse say thanks to the magic fish. Thank you so much. The starfish wants green. The starfish wants green. The magic fish shares it. Green looks good on you. Green looks good on you. You made me so. Thank you. You made me so. Thank you. All the animals are colorful now. All the animals are colorful now. The sea is very happy. The sea is very happy. You look very colorful. Sea has replied to the sea, thank you. Then magic fish asked, are you happy? Yes, we are very happy. Yes, we are very happy. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring is the moral of the magic fish. Yes. So, students, you have to share your things, food, etc. with your friends. Okay. Next. Let us follow. Students, you have to circle, right? Circle any 3 things that you share with your friend. Pen, water bottle, food, right? Then talk with your friend. Does your friend have the same list? Here you have to discuss about these things. You and your friend circle the same thing. You have to put a tick mark. Yes. If there is any mistakes to circle, if you circle the food, water bottle, pen, and your friend circle the sharpener, ice cream, and notebook, it is wrong. So you have to put a tick mark in no. How do you feel when you share color or what? That time you getting happy, right? So happy smiley. And tick the correct magic word. Here, tick the correct magic word. When you get a gift, what will you say? Students, somebody give gift to you. That time you say thank you. When you get a gift, what will you say? Thank you. Thank you. So put a tick mark in thank you box. And then see the monkey break a glass, right? When you break a glass, what will you say? You done a mistake. So that time you have to say sorry. So we have to put mark in sorry. Then let us do. Let us do. Word wall. Word wall. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Then ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Marble. M-A-R-B-L-E. Marble. Top. T-O-P. Top. Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Red. R-E-D. Red. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Bat. Students, you have to say after me. Okay. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-L-L. Ball. Say B-A-L-L. Ball. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Marble. M-A-R-B-L-E. Marble. Top. T-O-P. Top. Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. O-W, yellow. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. White, W-H-I-T-E, W-H-I-T-E, white. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Bat, ball, kite, marble, top, balloon, red, yellow, green, white, blue. And then I can do. I can do. Here, students, you have to scan this QR code and you have to listen the audio, and finally you have to circle the correct picture. Okay. So you have to circle the correct picture. This is your homework. Okay, students? You have to scan the QR code using your parents' mobile, and then you have to listen the audio. Be careful, okay? And then you have to circle the correct picture. Then tick the correct color. We have to tick the correct color. Here, dolphin, crab, then starfish, seahorse, right? So what it is color? What its color? Dolphin color is blue or red? What color it is? It is blue color. Yes, we have to put a tick mark in blue box. Then the crab. What color it is? It is white or red? It is red color. So we have to put a tick mark in red color. And then starfish. What color it is? It is blue or green? Green color. Yes, it is green color. And then seahorse. Seahorse. What color it is? It is yellow or white? It is yellow color. So we have to put a tick mark in yellow. And then recite any one of the poems from the lesson. Here they give poem in this lesson. We have to recall the poem lines again. Students, take your page number 98. We have to recite the poem. Clap your hands. Let me read it correct intonation. Yes. Clap your hands. Stamp your feet. Skip and run and turn around. Clap your hands. Stamp your feet. Skip and run and turn around. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, hop and jump and turn about. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, hop and jump and turn about. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, bend and stretch and play a game. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, bend and stretch and play a game. Come, let us play together and have fun. Come, let us play together and have fun. Yes. Next, again you come to the page number 113. Read aloud. Read aloud. Read aloud. Cat. Your cat, right? What it is? It is a cat. Cat, a cat, a fat cat. You see, it is very fat, right? Cat, a cat, a fat cat. Then what it is? It is tip. T-I-P, tip, a tip, a pin tip, a pin tip. Then write the first letter of the picture. Write the first letter of the picture. Here, what it is? Line. What is the spelling of line? L-I-O-N. Line. So, what is the first letter of line? L. Yes. First letter. Let me write. L. L. And then what it is? It is a monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. What is the first letter of monkey? M. What is the first letter? M. M. And then what the bird it is? It is a parrot. Parrot. What is the spelling of parrot? P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. So what is the first letter of parrot? P. What is the first letter of parrot? P. P is the first letter of parrot. And then what it is? It is a rabbit. Like it is so tiny, so rabbit. What the spelling of rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. So what is the first letter of rabbit? R. R. Yes. And then families. Next lesson, families. F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S. Families. I love my family. My family loves me. Here a girl say, I love my family. Students, you have to love your family, right? My family loves me. Yes. And then let us sing. Let us sing. What do you see in this picture? Tell your friend. Here, students, see this picture. Here, tree, birds, nest, rocks, bushes, trees, animals, elephant, butterfly, flowers, rocks, leaves, lake. Yes. You have seen so many things, right? Let's read the lines. In a nest. Here, nest. Nest is there, no? In a nest, on a branch. In a nest, on a branch. Here, trees have so many branches, right? That is called as branches. So, nest on a branch. Or under a tree. Or under a tree. There are many places that animals can be. Under a wing or in a hole. Under a wing or in a hole. In the ground, there are many places. In the ground, there are many places. Where animals are found? Where animals are found? What do you see in this picture? Tell your friend. In a nest on a branch or under a tree, there are many places that animals can be. Under a wing or in a hole in the ground, there are many places where animals are found. Under a wing or in a hole in the ground, there are many places where animals are found. Students, you have to scan this QR code and you have to listen these lines while singing. Okay, let me recall. Yes. When you get a gift, what will you say? Thank you. When you break a glass, what will you say? Sorry. Yes. Here word wall. Bat, ball, kite, marble, top, balloon, red, yellow, green, white, blue. Then blue color dolphin. BLUE, blue color dolphin. Red color crab, RED, red. Green color starfish, GREEN, green. Then yellow color seahorse, YELLOW. And cat, a fat cat. Tip, a pen, a pin tip. Okay, students, you have to read and go through all this magic fish, and before that word wall, and you have to read it well and read the correct spelling of the colors and family's poem. You have to hear the QR code. Okay, students, thank you. Keep safe at your home.